Hey my loves, we are back with another tutorial, but with holographic stickers. So with making any kind of sticker, I always have my rectangle in the background, 6.75 by 9.25. Some of these stickers are on my website and some are coming soon, so stay tuned. If you haven't already uploaded your stickers, go ahead and upload your image, add it to the canvas, and then just resize your sticker to how you would like it. Now, when making the sticker border, I always use the offset setting. It can be found at the top. So just double check that everything is included, because sometimes I'll get to the point where I'm printing the sticker and it has a hole. Make your sticker border whatever color you'd like. I'm going with white. And then once you're satisfied, you're going to flatten them together. And then just fill up the rectangle as much stickers as you can. Once you are satisfied, you're going to select it all and attach them together. And then you are ready to make the stickers. Let's go. Now, a new feature with Cricut Design Space is you can actually move around the design, but I'm not going to mess with it. You're going to want to make sure you connect your machine and then send to printer unless you printed already. I like to turn off the bleed and use my system dialog. Sometimes I'll have to exit and then reopen it up because Cricut is weird. I don't know. Anyways, another box will pop up and I will make sure I tell my printer what to do. And depending on what paper you're using, I use photomat paper with the best quality on to avoid any lines going through my design. And then I will set my material to die cut 3 times and I will show you those settings here. So we have the pressure set to 280, cut twice. And then when I actually select it, I want to make sure it's on more. This is the holographic laminate I use. I got it on Amazon. And for these stickers, I'm going to be using the Homestow matte vinyl paper. And these are how the lovely designs turned out. And now we're going to laminate. So you're probably wondering, why am I sticking the corners together? It's because my mat is not sticky. So if your mat is sticky, you don't need to do this step. So I got my laminate. I'm going to measure it up around the corners so that it's not outside the registration lines. And then I'm going to flip the corner up, line it up, take a ruler, and I'm going to go in a diagonal angle and then turn straight to get the holographic laminate on. And then once applied, I'll take my smoother tool and just smooth it out. Any air bubbles, if there were any, will be flattened. And then I just double check to see if I accidentally got over the lines, and I did a smidge, so I'm just going to take a Sharpie and just black out the line over the laminate just in case. And then we let the Cricut cut. So our stickers turned out perfectly. I hope this helps anyone who's doing any stickers or holographic stickers in general. Let me know if you have any questions or any requests for any other requests for tutorials. You can shop my stickers, stationery, custom designs, apparel at jlarose.com. And thanks for watching, guys.
Just hit me with those brown eyes. Wanna take a ride, wanna